Now it's time to start doing some body and styling upgrades with some new shoes and some new meats. These are the Forgestar X12s in 22x10. We've got your Weld Laguna 6 17x10s, one for the street and one for the track. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house. We're back next door at WBA Performance, and we're continuing the build of the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck. Now this truck already sounds really good with some exhaust upgrades that we did from Cook's headers with their 1 7/8 inch headers and catted pipes, as well as a Corsa Extreme catback exhaust. Now it's time to start doing some body and styling upgrades with some new shoes and some new meats. Like I mentioned before, guys, this truck is not coming with one set of wheels and tires, it's coming with two. One for the street and one for the track. Take a look over here. Want to give a big shout out to Weld Racing and Forgestar for sending out two sets of wheels for this truck. They look really nice. For the drag strip, Weld Racing sent us their Laguna 6 drag wheels in a 17x10 inch all black finish. Those are going to be wrapped in those 305 45 17 Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. Now for the street setup, we've got Forgestar X12s, all black finish on them. Those are 22x10s, they're gonna be wrapped in Toyo Proxies. So you guys have two sets of wheels. You wanna take the truck to the drag strip, throw on those Laguna 6s. Take it home, wanna roll around on the street, put those X12s on there, and you're ready to roll. And don't forget, guys, Weld, as well as Forgestar and Mickey Thompson are brands that are involved in the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway, and that means you get double entries when purchasing products from any of these brands, as well as all the other brands involved in the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway build. So now let's go ahead and mount these guys up. Guys, we wrapped up the mounting and balancing of the two sets of wheels that are coming with the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck. Take a look how this truck looks now. It is sitting real nice. These are the Forgestar X12s in 22x10. They are in gloss black and they're wrapped in some Toyo Proxies. And for your drag setup, right back here, check this out. We've got your Weld Laguna 6 17x10s with fresh Mickey Thompson 305 45 17 ET Street R's. Gonna be perfect for the drag strip. Oh, is that $15,000 in cash? Yes, it is. Remember, guys, we're giving this truck away along with $15,000 in cash. Gain your entries by coming to our site, making your orders for your parts, your accessories, and your lethal swag. And remember, brands just like Weld, as well as Forgestar and all the other brands that are involved in a Team Lethal F-150 giveaway earn you double entries. So for every dollar you spend on one of those brands, you get 2 entries to winning the truck and the cash. head on over, pick up your parts, and get your chances to win the truck and $15,000 in cash. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105. I'm the Mustang King, and again, thank you to Weld, Forgestar, as well as Mickey Thompson for participating in a Team Lethal F-150 giveaway build. I love you guys. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here. Weld Racing, we've got their Luna? Yep.